Everyone's talking about AI in the future, but what if I told you AI is already making life easier right now? From writing essays to making music, creating videos, and even replacing Photoshop, these AI tools are revolutionizing how we work, create, and live. In this video, I'll show you 7 mind-blowing AI tools that you can start using today. And trust me, number 5 will shock you. ChatGPT and Claude AI, your smartest AI assistant. First up, the AI that's basically your personal genius. ChatGPT and Claude AI can write essays, code, brainstorm ideas, and even tutor you in any subject. But here's the kicker. Claude remembers your past conversations, so it feels like you're talking to a real assistant. How to use it. 1. Students. 1. Ace your homework. 2. Writers. 2. Generate ideas in seconds. 3. Professionals. 3. Write emails, reports, and save hours every day. 2. Runway ML, the AI video maker. Want to make Hollywood-style videos without a camera? Runway ML uses AI to create entire videos from just text. You can even remove backgrounds, add visual effects, and make AI-generated actors. Who's using it? 1. Creators making AI movies. 2. Marketers creating ad videos in seconds. 3. Anyone who wants next-level visuals without expensive software. Riffusion, AI music generator. Ever wanted to make your own music but don't play an instrument? Riffusion lets you generate beats, melodies, and even full songs using just text. Type chill lo-fi beats or epic orchestral soundtrack, and boom! AI composes it in seconds. Imagine the possibilities. 1. Create custom background music for videos, gaming, or relaxation. 2. DJs and producers can remix AI-generated beats. 3. No musical skills needed, just ideas. Canva AI, the future of graphic design. Photoshop is great, but Canva AI is like magic. Instantly remove backgrounds, generate images, and auto-design presentations. Even create AI-generated logos and social media posts. Perfect for 1. Entrepreneurs making brand designs instantly. 2. Influencers and businesses auto-creating content. 3. Anyone who sucks at Photoshop. 3. ElevenLabs AI, the voice cloner. This one's insane. Want to clone your voice in perfect detail? This AI can read anything in your voice, even if you didn't say it. ElevenLabs can generate ultra-realistic voiceovers in any tone. People are using it to create audiobooks, dub videos, and even generate celebrity voices. Suspense hook. But here's the scary part. Scammers are already using it for fake voice calls and deepfakes. Imagine getting a call from a family member, but it's actually AI. What do you think? Super cool or super scary? Comment below. Notion AI, the smartest productivity tool. Imagine Google Docs and ChatGPT combined. That's Notion AI. Auto writes emails, meeting notes, project plans, saving hours of work. Even summarizes long reports and articles into bite-sized key points. Perfect for 1. Students cramming for exams. 2. Professionals handling tons of emails and documents. 3. Anyone who wants AI to do their boring work. 3. MidJourney, the AI art revolution. This one's for the creatives and designers. MidJourney generates stunning, hyper-realistic art in seconds from just text. No design skills. No problem. People are using it to make NFTs, book covers, movie posters, and even concept art for video games. Fun fact. 1. Major brands are already using AI art for advertising. 2. Some artists are making thousands selling AI-generated prints. And there you have it. 7 AI tools that are already changing your life today. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. Follow for more game-changing AI tools and future tech.